Welcome to the podcast Har Ghar Healer. You heard me right. And today I'm going to dive into a world of transformation with Pooja Shah from Pune. Let's know a little bit about her. With over 15 years of experience, Pooja is a powerhouse of knowledge and expertise. A life coach, Reiki grandmaster, Vastu Shastra expert, law of attraction consultant, graphologist, master hypnotist, and a counselor. Well, Pooja has achieved incredible milestones in her journey as a healer and mentor. She has received the World Humanity and Peace Award. She was also recognized by the Sumeru Mind and Power Institute for handling critical cases. Featured on national television, she's inspired students in schools and colleges with her motivational sessions. With over 5 lakh healings worldwide and students all across the globe, Pooja continues to make a meaningful impact through Reiki and Vastu. Welcome to the podcast, Pooja.
Namaste, everyone, and thank you, Dimple ji. So, starting with my journey, how I came here. So, मैं एक traditional religious joint family में पैदा हुई हूँ and born and brought up with lots of learnings and experiences. So, of course, journey beautiful थी.
Absolutely.
Joint family थी तो सबकी blessings थी मेरे साथ. And then I completed my arts from Pune itself.
Okay.
And after that, I always had this liking of, designing, and I was more into this creative field.
Okay.
So, arts complete करने के बाद मैंने fashion designing complete किया.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
फिर मैंने अपना boutique, बहुत अच्छा designer boutique था, and I had beautiful platform for designing for lots of models also and fashion shows also.
Wow.
Yeah, and parallelly, I was also working as a choreographer and a script writer.
Sorry, I did not have that in my introduction, so that makes the list even longer.
So yeah, this is actually most of the people don't know about it.
Yeah,
because
neither
they've all
did I.
yeah, that's what. And somehow कुछ ऐसे experiences आने लग गए that I don't know, I just shifted myself to this world of Reiki. ऐसे कुछ challenges थे, incidents हुए, events हुए where I needed healings. So mentally, mentally,
Yes.
physically, you go through a lot of things in your life.
Yeah.
And it happened so. I took healings and pranic healings and Reiki healings. And somehow I understood that मैं ये कब तक सबसे मांगते रहूंगी healings. What is that they can do and I cannot?
Correct.
So I always have that attitude कि मैं क्यों नहीं सीख सकती हूँ?
Yes.
Why can't I? I can if I tried.
Absolutely. We all have the power within us.
Of course, yeah, you're so right. The power is always inside us.
Yes.
That's what I understood
Correct.
after learning Reiki. And then I went in searching for the best of the gurus because मैंने सोचा था अगर सीखना ही है, train होना ही है, तो best of the gurus होने चाहिए.
सबसे highest energy से सीखना चाहिए.
Seriously, yeah. And I was so happy I attracted beautiful gurus into my life. So सबसे थोड़ा थोड़ा सीख कर मैंने एक अपने आप को एक vessel की तरह तैयार किया. And then I started practicing on myself.
Right.
Experience ऐसे आए अनोखे that I'm telling you, I was started living a balanced life. Be it mentally, physically, emotionally,
That's the
financially. My relationships improve, they just improved magically.
Wow.
And that was the best part. My career, I always wanted to, do something for people, bring in change in their life. And I just wanted कि अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ तो ये हर कोई कर सकता है.
Yes.
So there my mission started, कि I want to bring in happiness into people's life and I want to make हर घर में एक healer. So that's my mission. हर घर में एक healer. And with universe blessings, I almost have students all over the world in
Wow.
almost every country of this world.
Yeah, because
Beautiful
I think,
planet.
मैं हमेशा believe करती हूँ कि अगर आपका intent सही है, then universe बहुत support करता है.
Of course.
Yeah, and that's
yes.
happening with you.
Yes,
You know,
yes.
from the conversations that I've had with you also, I've realized that you get a lot of support because you've become the channel,
Channel.
to give. So you're getting that much more.
Seriously.
But before we begin and go further, I've always seen that she starts all her workshops with this affirmation of the day. So I definitely want our podcast to also have an affirmation. So what is today's affirmation?
Yeah, why not? I would love to share this. In fact, this affirmation, because we're having a healing के ऊपर, energy के
हाँ,
ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं.
हाँ,
So this is something you can practice it daily, and anyone.
done.
I practice it myself religiously. Thank you, universe. Every day, in every way, I'm becoming better and better healer. And one more thing I want to add.
Yes, please.
Thank you, universe. Every cell in my body is super intelligent and it knows how to heal by itself.
Fabulous. I mean, I'm definitely taking home this today. And a great way to start my mornings with, you know, and you've added gratitude. I mean, I think that's the key to life.
Gratitude, it's a part of life. Like, gratitude के बिना जिंदगी अधूरी है. You're not going to achieve anything without gratitude. You have to be thankful. You have to be, so much, it should come from inside. ये आभार करना, शुक्राना करना, thank you बोलना, this is like, it's not like formal, हाँ, thank you. It should be thank you.
Yeah.
It should come from inside.
दिल
This
से आना चाहिए.
universe should understand कि ये हर चीज के लिए कितना thankful है,
Right.
कितना attached है, कितना blessed feel कर रहा है.
Exactly.
When you feel blessed, the thank you comes out.
Absolutely. And I keep saying that, when you are blessed, you should be a blessing. So I think we're resonating a lot over these energy conversations. Moving on, I know that you describe Reiki as tapping into your internal frequency, right? So now I want to hear a success story of maybe one of your clients, students, anybody. I want to know how Reiki is changing people's lives.
Okay, so basically, let me tell you what is Reiki. And then, क्योंकि hundreds of stories है, which I could,
Hundreds of definitions. let's get clarity on it. Yeah.
So, Reiki is an ancient art of Japanese healing therapy, wherein we use symbols. जैसे doctors medicines use करते हैं heal करने के लिए, उसी तरह से हम Reiki healers, practitioners, symbols use करते हैं. And they are beautiful, powerful symbols. When we use it, people feel that energy internally and externally. So basically, it's a kind of blessing. Like लोग सोचते हैं कि ये जादू टोना है, magic है. No, it is blessing. It is a prayer. जैसे आप कोई भी spiritual place में जाते हो, आप pray करते हो कि आप मुझे ये ठीक कर दो, मेरे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दो, या मेरे भाई का, मेरे फ्रेंड का, मेरे पेरेंट्स का, किसी के लिए भी हम प्रे करते हैं. एग्जैक्टली रेकी इज दैट. आप किसी के लिए प्रे कर रहे हो, आप सिंबल्स यूज कर रहे हो मेडिसिन के जगह पे, एंड देन यू आर सेंडिंग दैट पॉजिटिव एनर्जी. नाउ रेकी मीन्स यूनिवर्सल एनर्जी और कॉस्मिक एनर्जी, विश्व की ऊर्जा. सो विश्व की ऊर्जा तो हर किसी के लिए मौजूद है. इट्स लाइक प्रेजेंट फॉर एवरीवन.
It's equal.
Yeah, it's equal.
To all
Yeah.
of us.
तो इसमें कोई कास्ट, रिलीजन, इसका कोई लेना देना ही नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
So anyone, anywhere, anyhow, they can use it.
Basically, you have to tune into that frequency.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So basically, in fact, Reiki ही हमारी frequency को improve कर देता है. You don't need to, कि कुछ ऐसे अलग से practice नहीं करना है जिससे आपकी frequency change हो. Reiki आप practice करते हो ना,
तो
wholly and
frequency
solely,
बढ़
अपने आप
जाती
आपकी frequency improve होने लग जाती है. Basically, it works on our 7 chakras. So these are the energy centers. So let's get into the sharings. मेरी एक student है.
हाँ.
She was facing this problem since I think the age of 16 years. Now she's 32.
Okay.
Now hear this very carefully. अब 16 years से ना उसको एक प्रॉब्लम था. यूट्रस उसकी सोनोग्राफी में नजर नहीं आता था.
What?
यस, यूट्रस. सो उसे काफी ट्रीटमेंट्स लेने पड़ी एंड बहुत सारा, लाइक अब शादी हो चुकी थी.
हाँ.
कहीं तो कुछ ट्रीटमेंट्स के द्वारा सोनोग्राफी में थोड़ा सा दिखाई दिया. इट्स लाइक 0.2 mm. इट्स अ पी साइज.
Yeah. That's
अब
not
वो यूट्रस होल्ड ही नहीं कर सकता है बेबी. नाउ शी इज मैरिड, एब्सोल्युटली शी वांट्स अ चाइल्ड.
start a family.
Yeah.
Yes.
एंड देन 8 साल तक उन्होंने बहुत सारे चीजें ट्राई किया. 8 years. एंड देन समहाउ शी एनरोल्ड इनटू आवर कोर्सेज, ऐसी वेबिनार्स देकर, शी जॉइंड एंड शी एनरोल्ड एंड शी स्टार्टेड प्रैक्टिसिंग रेकी. सो शी टुक हीलिंग्स फ्रॉम अस,
हाँ.
बट देन आई सेड आपको ना इंडिपेंडेंट होना पड़ेगा.
So
आप
become a
मुझ
self-fulfilled,
yes,
basically.
yeah. So then she practiced Reiki, and Reiki practice करते करते within few months, when she went to scan herself, उसका यूट्रस का साइज 0.2 mm से 0.9 mm हो गया.
Oh my God.
And this, she was like shocked. She's like, doctor, 0.9 mm means like कुछ अलग तो नहीं. The doctor said, even I am, surprised कि ये हुआ कैसे. But आपको अभी कितने babies करने हैं? 1, 2. She said, what? 0 से she's like 1, 2. She was like overwhelmed and I was the first person, I remember she called me out. Clinic से बाहर निकल के she's calling me up. Ma'am, पता है ऐसा ऐसा हुआ है. And this is, I had goosebumps.
Yes, I have goosebumps right now.
I had goosebumps. I was like, wow, this is like a life creating, life within.
Yes.
And she's getting the power. And we women have that power to give birth, to give life. इसलिए तो भगवान ने हमको बनाया ना, लेडीज को, फीमेल्स को बनाया है. And this was like the most magical moment for all of us.
I think it's a big learning and growth for all of us to know that we have it within us, that whole power, the universe energy. We just got to tap into it.
Yes.
And you tap and you practice it,
Yes.
and it can actually create the magic and miracle that we talk about.
Yes, of
Oh
course.
my God, this. I'm just so glad we spoke about this.
It's not only this, Dimple. It's all, it's always like believing in yourself and believing in the universe. The universe is always just working for you. वो आपके लिए काम कर रहा है. आपको सिर्फ अलाइन होना है उनके फ्रीक्वेंसी के साथ. That's it. ऐसे कितने केसेस है, थायराइड है, जिनकी मेडिसिन बंद हो गई है, जिनका मेडिसिन का डोज कम हुआ है.
Yes.
इवन डायबिटीज, उनका भी जिनका 320 था, 400 था, वो 120, 130, 150 पे आ गए हैं. And PCOD and so many depression, stress, कितने सारे ऐसे problems है. Even cancer patients, we have tried to heal them and we have been getting continuously, positive results from them. That mentally they are feeling peaceful inside, and even the environment around them has magically changed.
Yeah, because you're changing your frequency.
Of
right?
course. Yeah.
And like, you rightfully said that so many diseases have a cure through Reiki.
Yeah.
But I think what we're essentially trying to say is that the power of the mind. If your stress and negative thoughts and depression can create a disease in your body, then a positive thought, a positive affirmation, gratitude can also negate the disease in your body.
So right.
You know.
So right, Dimple, you're so right. I do agree with, because emotions, आपको पता है, डिक्शनरी के हिसाब से बहुत सारे इमोशंस हैं, बहुत सारे. बट एक नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग 4 से 5 इमोशंस ही एक्सपीरियंस करता है पूरे दिन भर में. आप नोटिस कर लो.
Yes.
जैसे पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव बोथ है. इट्स लाइक लव, हैप्पीनेस, सैडनेस, लोनलीनेस, स्टक्ड अप, लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस,
Correct.
फ्रस्ट्रेशन, इरिटेशन. इसी तरह से स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन.
There's a name for everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like every emotion is vibrating at a certain frequency.
Absolutely.
So आप दिन भर में जो ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस करते हो, वो आपका डोमिनेंट इमोशन हो जाता है, which keeps on ruling and which keeps on working on your chakras and your aura.
Correct.
उसके चलते ऐसा होता है कि आपका माइंड सेट भी उसी तरह से ट्रेन हो रहा है.
Great word.
क्योंकि जो बार बार आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, वो आपका हैबिट बन जाता है,
Yes.
पैटर्न बन जाता है. एंड दिस इज व्हाट रेकी हेल्प्स इन ब्रेकिंग दैट पैटर्न.
Yeah.
वो आपको एक ऐसे मोड पे ऐसे मोड पे लेकर जाता है कि नाउ यू नो व्हाट इज गुड एंड बैड फॉर योरसेल्फ.
Yeah.
एक अवेयरनेस आ जाता है, सेल्फ अवेयरनेस. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
That is the starting of everything. Actually.
पीपल आर नॉट हैविंग दैट.
Yeah.
उनको सेल्फ अवेयरनेस ही नहीं है. उनको लगता है कि जो कुछ आसपास में चल रहा है वो ही सही है और उसी तरह से हमें भी रहना है. बट इट्स नॉट दैट. सेल्फ
हम जो हैं उससे हमारा आसपास का एनवायरनमेंट हम बना सकते हैं.
Exactly. I always say, be that person कि आप जहां भी जाओ ना, आपका प्रेजेंस एक हीलिंग प्रेजेंस होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
आपके आसपास लोग मिलते से ही they should feel healed.
Correct.
You should have that kind of aura, energetic feel.
Yeah.
That is it.
I'm going to give a very silly example. So I practice Reiki, and मैं क्या करती हूँ, like अभी पूना में तो पार्किंग का बहुत इशू है. So what I do is before reaching a place, I already send my energy there. I already like create a parking space in my head that this is for my car.
Beautiful.
And when I reach there, there's actually a spot for me. And this has happened again and again and again. And this is also a classic example of what happened just before this podcast recording. That's how I got my
Okay.
parking space today also.
Okay,
So,
beautiful.
you know, I know the power of thoughts. I mean, I'm just trying to say, कितनी छोटी चीज में अगर वो work हो सकता है, then you can imagine the life-changing things it can do for you. It's tremendous power and potential.
You're so right. You're so right, Dimple ji. Because Reiki जो है ना, ये mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, and financially काम करता है. It's not only working on, just your emotions or the human energy. It's also working on plants, animals, situations, your home. You can heal anything. Your water, your food,
Absolutely.
just like anything. And that's what my students are doing all over the world.
Yeah.
And they're getting results.
I mean, that's proof of everything. Though you don't need proof in energy conversations and energy work in your life, but it feels nice when you see that. It's like great motivation to keep going. But also, I want to know, there are a lot of Reiki practitioners and masters in Pune and across the globe. How does your Reiki set apart than the others? What is the USP? What is something new that you're bringing on the table for your students, for the workshops you conduct?
So right, so nice, beautiful question. Thank you. Because mostly Reiki में हम क्या सीखते हैं? Just 7 energy centers को open करो,
Yes.
balance करो. What I teach in Reiki, or what our institute teaches, is not only balancing your energy centers, but practicing few things. कुछ beautiful 5 principles है जो Mikao Sai sir ने हमको सिखाया है. And that is like, just for today, I will be honest with my work. Just for today, I will not be angry. Just for today, I will have the attitude of gratitude. Just for today, I will respect and love every living thing and even non-living thing.
Yes.
So just for today, I will not be worried. Now, just for today means every day you're saying this. So already आपका training हो रहा है brain में that just for today I'm supposed to practice this. So when you're practicing this, आपका aura जो है ना ready हो जाता है हर चीज को पाने के लिए. But मैंने इसमें और एक चीज add की है. With this, I say stop BCRLIJ.
Okay. Explain.
I will explain. So B is like, I will not blame. Like stop blame.
Yes.
C is criticize and complain.
Mm-hmm.
BC.
Oh my
R.
God.
R is I will stop regretting, being in guilt. I is I will stop being indisciplined.
Mm-hmm.
And J is I will stop judging.
Wow.
Because when you
Wow.
practice all this now,
Yes.
आपका aura expand ही होने वाला है.
Exactly.
Yeah. It's going to
I
expand.
mean, you just literally said it in those 5 words because people are today living literally like those 5 words are their core. Unfortunately, instead of having more positive DNA and core systems, we all have a lot of regret. We have a lot of judgment towards others. I mean, that's become key conversations today, right?
And when we are judging now, the problem is inside us. It's not that वो person सही है गलत वो important नहीं है.
नहीं है.
हम क्या कर रहे हैं energetically. That is very important. And it is, I know it is difficult, but it is not impossible.
You know, they say we are the window through which we see the world.
Of course.
So that really defines judging for me.
Basically, आप
It's
जो
what you are feeling that you're projecting onto others.
Exactly. That's whatever you're seeing is the mirror reflection. Whatever you're, आप अगर किसी और में कुछ देख रहे हो, आपके अंदर का ही एनर्जी उसमें बसा है.
Correct.
Because energy level पे हम सब एक है.
Same है.
Same है. So if I am getting jealous, that means I need to work on myself.
Maybe that's our trigger. And your triggers actually teach you where you need to work.
It's working like a compass.
Yeah.
It's showing us the direction. If you're feeling jealous, if you're feeling anxious, oh, I need to work on myself.
Yeah.
That person is not triggering me
Why is this emotion triggering me?
because it's inside me.
Yes.
ये मेरे अंदर है इसलिए तो ट्रिगर हो रहा है बार बार. But when I work on this emotion and I release it, it's no more there. फिर आप कितना भी चाहो मुझे ट्रिगर करने का, but मैं होने वाली नहीं हूँ because
You've made peace with it.
Yeah.
No? You've got your closure with it.
that's what.
Yeah.
So we have very different ways, you know. We have photograph healing, we have fire Reiki, we have crystal Reiki.
Wow.
We do this aura swapping. We work on this. Even if we don't have a photograph, we can do this distance healing like chit Reiki, which I call. Then we have this gem elixir. Different ways of healing. इट्स नॉट दैट कि वो इंसान आपके सामने ही होना चाहिए.
ऐसे कुछ नहीं है.
कुछ नहीं है.
Because energy can travel, right? There's no like
Can
distance
travel.
for
It's like
energy.
sound and light
Yes.
and air, like it travels anywhere and everywhere.
Correct.
So it's just that you're sending this positive vibes to that person. So काफी बार ऐसे होता है, लोग बोलते हैं मैम हमारे पास फोटो भी नहीं है, हमारे पास चिट भी नहीं है. I said just visualize. You can
Power
visualize, yeah.
visualization.
Just visualize, see that person in front of you and do it. So we also teach the cord cutting technique.
Yes. Oh my God, I have done that, and it
works.
was a life-changing experience.
Beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful.
It's so liberating.
Of course.
Oh my God.
So we have this hypnosis Reiki also.
Okay.
बहुत है, हमने बहुत beautifully तैयार किया ये model,
Correct.
where it's helping thousands and thousands of students all over the world.
And you're saying that all these different modalities that you just
Yeah.
mentioned, we can learn that from you.
Of course, 100% you can learn. So
Wow.
there are basically stages,
Huh.
like level 1, 2, 3, 4 and
Okay.
5.
Okay.
So level 1, 2 and 3, anyone can learn.
Okay.
3 and 4 is where you want to become a guru by yourself. Like you become an eligible person where you can make healers. So level 4 is like 1 and 2 level आप उनको दीक्षा दे सकते हो, initiation,
Initiation.
attunement.
Yes. Yes.
Attunement is basically where a master is, cleaning the 7 chakras and the aura of a student
Mhm.
and making him or her a eligible healer,
Right.
and where he can practice and heal others also.
Got it.
So even level 5 is much more. The
Much-
power is increasing
Yes.
with every level.
Yes.
With every-
And of course, it depends on the work we do on ourselves during those levels as
That
well.
is important.
That is very important. Yeah.
Important.
And coming to, I know that Reiki and Vastu somewhere complement each other. Would you like to throw light on this for me?
Oh, yes, beautiful. So I always say कि वास्तु रेकी ना हर कोई नहीं सिखाता है. And this is, I can really say that this is our only institute where we teach Vastu Reiki on 16 directions.
Oh, wow.
16 directions we work with. And क्योंकि काफी बार ऐसा होता है ना कि जैसे ये पूरा धरती विश्व, everything is made up of 5 elements.
Yeah.
Agni, Vayu, Jal, Dharti, Akash, air, water, fire, sky and earth. So everything is made up of 5 elements. Exactly हमारा space भी ना 5 elements से बना हुआ है.
Correct.
ठीक है?
Right.
So जब हमारे 5 elements imbalanced है, ठीक है, तब हम कुछ attract नहीं कर पाते हमारे लाइफ में. कितना भी आप affirmations बोल लो, कुछ भी कर लो, उसके साथ हम सब समझ जाते हैं कि इनका environment में 5 elements में disturbance है, imbalance है. तो हम क्या करते हैं, 5 elements को balance करते हैं हमारे ही वास्तु में, हमारे space में, be it home, office, wherever you are,
Yeah.
more.
Yeah.
So हम उसे balance करते हैं. जब हम उसे बैलेंस करते हैं तो आपकी एनर्जी अलाइन हो जाती है उस पॉजिटिव एनर्जी के साथ.
Correct.
एंड व्हेन इट इज अलाइन तो हमारा माइंड बॉडी सोल भी अलाइन हो जाता है,
Right.
वेयर नाउ यू आर रेडी टू अट्रैक्ट थिंग्स एकदम मैजिकली एंड मिराकुलस.
एक supplementary help मुझे मिल रही है.
Of course,
Right,
of course,
yeah.
of course. So I do teach in level 3. I teach 16 directions Vastu Reiki.
Okay.
एंड उसमें बहुत अलग तरीके से हम करते हैं कि उस डायरेक्शन में, पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन, लाइक जैसे आपको बहुत नेगेटिव थॉट्स आ रहे हैं बार बार, तो हम कहते हैं कि उस नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में जाइए, उस स्पेस को क्लियर कर दीजिए और वहां उस डायरेक्शन में रेकी दीजिए.
अच्छा.
नाउ लेवल 1 and 2 वी हैव 5 सिंबल्स वेयर वी लर्न.
Yeah.
लेवल 3 वी लर्न 7 सिंबल्स जहां मास्टर सिंबल आता है.
Yes. Correct.
So we go and give there the symbols and on our third eye chakra or Sahasrara chakra,
Yes.
and then we get aligned. So हमको यहाँ की भी एनर्जी मिल रही है और हमारी इंटरनल एनर्जी भी अलाइन हो रही है,
So आप internal और external
External.
frequency को merge.
मर्ज कर रहे हैं.
Wow.
And then the results are this.
Of course, because it's so much more effective.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ स्टूडेंट्स 30 डेज में स्ट्रेस एंजाइटी में से बाहर निकल जाते हैं. I mean, डिप्रेशन तक पहुंचते ही नहीं है.
Yeah, thank God to that.
Yeah, that's what.
Because, everybody's talking about how depression is going to be the next pandemic.
Yeah.
I
I agree with
mental
that.
health, depression, anxiety. It's become not only keywords. We're seeing the generation struggle with.
We're seeing
it,
people
right?
at our home.
Yes, it's come to the house. That's the thing.
And we really feel helpless. I've seen parents coming to me, friends coming to me, students coming to me saying, we are helpless. हमको पता नहीं कैसे हैंडल करें. ऐसा आपको हैंडल नहीं करना है, इसे मैनेज करना है.
Yes.
Why do you want to store it? You need to release it. So हम कुछ ऐसे टेक्निक्स अप्लाई करते हैं, ऐसे आपके चक्रास पे वर्क करते हैं, बिकॉज सी हमारा जो रूट चक्र होता है, बेस चक्र,
Base chakra.
देन द सेक्रल एंड देन द सोलर,
Yes.
ये जो 3 एनर्जी सेंटर्स होते हैं ना, ये मटेरियलिस्टिक वर्ल्ड से
Connected
होते हैं,
Correct. Yes.
एंड अबव 3 जो होते हैं वो स्पिरिचुअल
Spiritual
वर्ल्ड
world
से.
से connected.
So our heart is like, merging the lower 3 and the above 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, upper 3. उस तरह से हम काम करते हैं फर्स्ट 3 चक्रस पे पहले.
Correct.
उसे हम कंट्रोल में लाने की कोशिश करते हैं, बिकॉज इफ इट्स अंडर एक्टिव और ओवर एक्टिव, यू टेंड टू बिहेव,
Yeah.
weird at
Yeah.
times. You don't know how to handle. You don't know how to manage your emotions.
Yeah.
कि इस वक्त if I'm feeling sad,
What do I do about
what do I do?
it? Yeah.
So हम emotional eating की तरफ चले जाते हैं.
Correct.
और we start being lonely, like हम अपने आप को isolate कर देते हैं.
Actually, those tools have become more easier go-tos because
Yeah.
कोई और बता रहा ही नहीं है कि positive tools भी हैं.
Awareness
You,
भी है.
you know, the minute you're feeling an emotion like anxiety,
Yeah.
there is a tool and you need to just apply it.
Yeah,
वो कोई नहीं बात कर.
I say cry it out.
Yeah.
Don't store it. उसको बहने दो, उसको बाहर आने दो. Cry. It's normal to cry. तो काफी बार होते हैं ना, मेल्स आते हैं तो how can we cry? I said, why? You are human. We are not robots.
Yes.
We are human. We are supposed to release. We are supposed to cry it out. But you're not supposed to live in it. कहते हैं ना, हम जिससे प्यार करते हैं उसके साथ ज्यादा दिन, उसके साथ वक्त बिताना चाहते हैं.
Yeah.
और जो चीज हमें पसंद नहीं है, हम उसके साथ ज्यादा वक्त नहीं बिताते. तो भाई वही चीज हमें यहाँ अप्लाई करनी है.
Correct.
आपको अगर नेगेटिव इमोशन पसंद नहीं है, आपको सैड रहना पसंद नहीं है, लोनली रहना पसंद नहीं है, तो आप उसके साथ रहो मत.
क्यों रह रहे हो?
रहना ही नहीं, आपको उसमें से बाहर निकलना. यू सपोज टू से टाटा बाय बाय सी यू. बट हाउ ना, हाउ के लिए दिस इज लाइक रेकी वर्क्स वेल, balancing your chakras. It works on your emotions because every chakra
Yeah.
is related to your body organs and also your emotions.
Yes.
So जब आप उसे बैलेंस करते हो, you start experiencing better. You feel lighter. You know how to express. होता है ना आजकल, आप कह रहे हो ना थायराइड बहुत हो रहा है, एंड
Yeah,
पहले तो ये फीमेल में होता
express
था.
कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, पर अभी तो ये मेल में भी होने लग गया है.
Yeah.
एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते हैं. So this is how, I say, cry it out, speak it out,
Yeah.
write it out. Go to people who, who can hear you. Anxiety develops into depression
Yes.
when you don't treat it on the ground
At
level.
the right time.
But उसका base level क्या है? Where it starts? ये हमें पता ही नहीं चलता है start कब होता है. This is how when you feel, वो मुझे नहीं समझेगा, छोड़ो, नहीं कहना है. I said नहीं समझेगा, that is your perception.
Is it also an assumption?
Assumption.
पहले ही decide कर दिया that this person is
Judge
not
कर
going
लिया.
to understand. Judge.
That's what I'm saying. BCRLIJ.
Yes.
Stop doing that.
Yes.
If you feel you want to express it. You can write it. आज तो आप text भी कर सकते हो, message भी कर सकते हो, voice message भेज सकते हो, कर दो.
Yeah.
And the moment you understand, उस इंसान ने देख लिया, सुन लिया, delete कर दो.
Hmm.
Simple. Or if you know you can have one-on-one in-person conversation, go. See the right time and just say, I want to express. Can you help me hear or listen?
Yeah.
And just express it out.
May I add over here? So one of the techniques that I follow, जैसे आपने बोला कि distance does not matter, right? तो कई ऐसे situations होते हैं where maybe a friend or a person जिसके साथ मुझे कुछ issue हुआ है and has moved on. I can't reach out to them or I cannot talk to them. I cannot meet them. But दिल में वो emotion रह गया, वो hurt, वो pain, वो grief at times रह गया. So I do letter writing.
Okay.
I express everything to that person. So
Beautiful.
my letter is directed to Dear Pooja.
Okay.
And then I will write whatever
Okay.
I'm feeling.
Yes.
I express it there and then under the moonlight, I burn it.
Okay.
And
Beautiful.
I have realized, for me, it's a superb way of releasing my emotions. I feel very light after that. But what I have realized, and I know this is magical for me, is that वो person जिसने मुझे एक साल से contact भी नहीं किया है, I suddenly get a message or a call from them.
Because you cleared the blockage.
Yeah.
Negative emotions वही तो करता है. Blockages बनाता है.
Yeah.
हम उस blockages, उस pattern को ही तो तोड़ना है हमें.
Correct.
I'll tell you one more thing. I'll just add to it. Now, whenever I'm getting angry on a person, I say, I agree, I am feeling anxious about this person. I'm feeling, मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है इस इंसान के ऊपर. Okay, I accept, but I choose to release at this moment. Because I want to free myself from this emotion. That's so right, you know, कि आप जो letter लिखकर आप जो dissolve कर रहे थे, release कर रहे थे blockages, because जितना हम emotionally disturbed रहेंगे, blockages बनते रहेंगे, बनते रहेंगे, बनते रहेंगे. And if you want results in life, because there are people, मैम हमने ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया, ये रिचुअल कर दिया, वो रिचुअल कर दिया, किसी ने हमें ये बताया, वो बताया, फिर भी कुछ हो नहीं रहा है.
Right.
इट्स बिकॉज इंटरनल क्लीनिंग नहीं हो रहा है.
Right.
बाहर से आप सब चीजें ठीक कर रहे हो.
Correct.
सो इट्स ऑल एक्सटर्नल, बट एवरीथिंग वर्क्स फ्रॉम फर्स्ट इनसाइड.
Yeah. It's
तो
inside out.
या इनसाइड आउट.
Yeah.
तो मैं आपको एक ब्यूटीफुल टेक्निक बताती हूँ. तो जब भी मुझे भी कभी किसी के ऊपर कुछ नाराजगी रहती है और समथिंग आई एम फीलिंग यू नो एनीथिंग नेगेटिव अबाउट दैट पर्सन, मैं उस चिट्ठी पे एक चिट्ठी ले लूंगी छोटी सी एंड उसके ऊपर उनका नाम लिख देती हूँ. आई विल फोल्ड इट एंड कीप इट यू नो बिटवीन माई टू पाम. आई विल गिव रेकी सिंबल्स. अब रेकी सिंबल्स देते हुए मैं कहती हूँ आई रिलीज एनीथिंग which is blocking our relationship or anything which is creating negative energies between us or anything which is disturbing me and that soul. I forgive myself, I forgive that person, and I release any blockages.
Correct.
And then I keep on saying that I release,
Yeah.
I release, I release, I release. And then I also practice the cord cutting there. The Reiki
Correct.
cord
Very
cutting. That's
important.
very, very, very important. I
Yeah.
visualize there's a cord connecting between us and I disconnect it.
Yeah.
I do that.
I think that is a very crucial tip,
Yeah.
you know, and I think
Yes.
if people can even learn this one technique, it will help them so much. I've seen the power of cord cutting in my
Yes.
life. Yeah.
But then this is again incomplete.
Yeah.
जब आप कुछ चीज कट कर रहे हो ना तो आपको उसे हील भी करना
करना
होता है.
पड़ेगा.
दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो वी
हाथ
हैव
में नहीं छोड़ सकते.
हाँ,
Yeah.
बिकॉज हम जब रेकी में ऑरा स्वैपिंग ऑरा प्लकिंग का जब ये प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, दिस इज लाइक क्लीनिंग द ऑरा.
So what is aura first of all?
Okay, beautiful
At
top.
least कुछ तो
This
पता
is
चले,
really
you know.
important.
Yeah.
So basically, aura means ऊर्जा, the magnetic field around your body.
Okay.
तो कह लो 4 फीट तक हमारा एक ऑरा होता है, या हम
In the 5 bodies, the energy bodies.
7 layers in fact you can say.
7 layers.
5 bodies, या कोई
Yeah.
5 bodies कहते हैं, कोई 7 layers, that's all good.
Yeah.
So इसमें कुछ spiritual layers होते हैं, आपके physical body, etheric and astral body. तो होता क्या है ना, हमारे मिलने से पहले हमारे ऑरा मिल
मिल
चुके होते
चुके
हैं.
हैं. Yes, I agree.
And that time we understand, yeah, I can be with this person, I can talk with this person. मुझे कुछ toxic feeling नहीं आ रही है.
हम्म,
काफी बार ऐसा होता है ना, हम किसी को मिलते हैं और हम सफोकेटिंग फील करते हैं.
बहुत
ऐसा लगता है हमारी एनर्जी ड्रेन हो रही
drain
है
हो गई है. Oh
पूरी
my
तरह
God.
से.
Yes,
And I don't know
yes.
why is that happening, because somewhere your aura was not matching and you were forcefully being there for a longer time with that person or that environment.
Correct.
And this is like where you don't know how to disconnect it.
हम्म,
तो ये ऑरा जो है ना, ये बोलता है, आपको बताता है.
yeah.
और जब आपका ऑरा वीक है, आपका फिजिकल बॉडी रिएक्ट करने लगता है. दिस इज हाउ मेनी पीपल गेट अफेक्टेड विद मेनी हेल्थ रिलेटेड इश्यूज, इवन रिलेशनशिप, इवन करियर, मनी, मेंटल हेल्थ, फिजिकल, एवरीथिंग.
Yeah.
सो सबसे पहला काम आई टेल यू इज वर्किंग ऑन योर ऑरा.
हम्म,
जब आपका ऑरा ही सेफ है, प्रोटेक्टेड है, सिक्योर्ड है,
हम्म,
तो आपके फिजिकल बॉडी पे वो ज्यादा हद तक काम नहीं करेगा, ज्यादा देर तक नहीं रहेगा.
right.
So this is how working on your aura. Reiki in fact works basically on your aura first.
Okay.
And इसमें हम meditation सिखाते हैं जिसमें हमारा aura expand होता है.
Right.
Reiki plays a beautiful role on expanding your aura. Because आप जब meditation करते हो ना, तो एक केमिकल रिलीज होता है जो हमारे साइंस में, मेडिसिन में भी नहीं है. मतलब ऐसी अभी तक दवाई बनी नहीं है जिससे हमारा ऑरा एक्सपैंड हो.
Right.
तो हमारे मेडिटेशन के द्वारा केमिकल ऐसे रिलीज होते हैं जो हमें मदद करता है हमारे ऑरा को क्लीन करने में. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग, डू यू वांट टू नो हाउ टू क्लीन योर ऑरा, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग पीपल डोंट नो अबाउट इट.
Yeah, exactly. And it can help them so much.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आजकल के जमाने में आपको तो आपका ऑरा पे ही काम करना है. तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज व्हेन आई एम सेइंग प्रैक्टिस BCRLIJ, स्टॉप, ब्लेम, क्रिटिसाइज, कंप्लेंट, जजिंग, बीइंग इनडिसिप्लिन, even lying. So this is something which is weakening your aura, right? Second thing is gratitude. This is very, very important. जब आप gratitude practice करते हो, हर एक चीज के लिए thank you, like I'm touching this, thank you. I'm touching this, thank you. I'm touching my vehicle, thank you. I'm touching my food, thank you. Like everything. Because इस वक्त अगर आप जिंदा हो तो ये अपने आप में एक बड़ा प्रूफ है that universe आपको बेहद प्यार करता है. So you have to be thankful.
Absolutely.
You have to be thankful because ये लाइफ ही फ्री में मिली है एक्चुअली. और
Totally.
या और आप देखिए ना, जब कोई हमें गिफ्ट देता है तो हम उसको कितना संभाल के रखते हैं, सालों साल, और हम वैल्यू करते हैं. बट हम काफी बार ना हमारे बॉडी का, हमारी लाइफ का हम वैल्यू नहीं करते क्योंकि ये फ्री में मिला है.
Yeah.
But once you take care of your life, your body, your emotions, you're practicing gratitude, things are changing in your life. Your aura is expanding.
So basically, a gift given by a human, हम उसको इतना अच्छे से रखेंगे घर पे, लेकिन the gift given by God, which is this,
We take it for granted.
this vehicle for doing all this work, we take it for granted.
We are channels. We are channels to bring in so many things into our life and others' life.
Yeah,
Even if you're a Reiki practitioner or not, but we are still channels.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So basically aura clean करने के लिए तो ये एक myth है. लोग कहते हैं कि नमक के पानी से नहाओ, बट उसका भी तरीका होता है.
Okay.
मैंने सुना है लोग रोज नमक के पानी से नहाते हैं, तो प्लीज डू नॉट डू दिस मिस्टेक.
Yeah.
हफ्ते में एक बार या आप ज्यादा लोगों से अगर इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हो तभी आपको सॉल्ट बाथ लेना है.
Yes.
Okay. Now the salt vault is that sea salt, that
Yes.
akha namak, what we say, raw salt,
हाँ.
what I call. So that you should take only on Tuesdays or Saturdays, weekly or monthly, I say twice is enough.
Okay.
So this is important to clean your aura. Second is practicing meditation, Reiki meditation or even chakra meditation. Then crystal Reiki, which helps you beautifully to clean your aura.
Yeah.
Because हम जितना अपने आप को यूज कर रहे हैं, हमारा ऑरा कम होते जा रहा है.
तो हमें उस पे इन्वेस्ट करके उसको बढ़ाना भी
बढ़ाते
है.
रहना है, हमेशा उस पे काम करना है एंड
Yeah.
उसको एक्सपैंड करते
इतना देकर आ रहे हैं तो उसको भरना भी है वापस.
ऑब्वियसली. इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Yeah.
So this is the way we can clean our aura. So there's one more technique,
Mhm.
नेचर के साथ कनेक्ट होना.
Right. Oh, that's my go-to.
इवन आई लव इट.
Yeah.
आप जाइए, खुली हवा में बैठिए, विदाउट एनी गैजेट्स अराउंड यू. जस्ट सिट एंड फोकस ऑन योर बॉडी, your energy centers, and slowly get connected to your own energetic field
Yeah.
and see that it's expanding, and feel that the Mother Earth is absorbing all that which is not needed.
Needed for me. Yes.
But here, आप ready होना चाहिए to release it. When you're ready to release it, the Reiki Ma, I call it Reiki Ma,
Yeah.
Reiki Ma starts, flowing that love, that energy inside you, and you come in that receiving mode.
Mm.
और आप जब receiving mode में होते हो ना, then everything starts working.
working for you. Yes. And to get in the receiving mode, these techniques and tools are actually helping.
Yes, of course, yeah. So Reiki is something which anyone can use it anyhow, anywhere, from any age and any profession. So we have students from 10 years old, okay?
How sweet.
Youngest, I think अभी तक मैंने जहाँ तक देखा है कि गिनीज में वर्ल्ड ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में लिखा है यंगेस्ट स्टूडेंट 12 years, but we have 10 years old, and it's on record.
Yeah.
We have him practicing on his studies and education. So we can learn from 10 years above to any age. We have 89 years plus.
Okay.
And if you ask me, कौन से profession से है? So like every profession, engineers, doctors, surgeons, lawyers, coaches, astrologers, vastu experts, tarot readers, homemakers, then weightlifters, actors, models. I mean, any field you say, and we have it.
Now that you're talking about this, may I ask that people, who are listening to us and our audience, if they want to connect with you, your courses, your healing sessions, maybe just take healings from you, what are the right ways to get in touch with you?
So basically, I always conduct a awareness webinar session.
Okay.
Okay. So ये awareness Reiki webinar में होता क्या है? मैं वहाँ सारा details process बताती हूँ
हाँ.
कि क्या क्या होता है in each level, how you can understand where are you at this moment. So I prove them कि 1 minute में आपको बता सकती हूँ कि इस वक्त आपका ऑरा कैसा है, आपकी लाइफ स्पैन कैसी हो सकती है, कितनी, और आपका माइंडसेट, आपका हैबिट्स, आपके पैटर्न्स क्या है, और कौन से एरियाज में आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to break you here. pick me up as the guinea pig. मेरे बारे में जो आप अभी देख पा रहे हैं, आप कुछ भी बोलिए. I have no problem.
Okay, so your throat chakra is very much activated.
Okay.
That's why you have that presence of mind, you have the skill to talk and express,
Mhm.
and you know you can convince anyone. Is that right?
Yes. In fact, I feel the more I'm working on my on meditation and on energy tools, I feel यही होता है. बिना आप बोलते हो ना जैसे कि energy travels before you.
Yes.
तो अगर मुझे किसी को convince करना है for the right reasons of course, and I know energy will check
Will
me
check.
on that. तो पहले से ही मैं वो vibes दे रही हूँ and then I talk and that
Wow.
person understands me and then the whole conversation is seamless.
Then this is also your heart chakra.
Right.
When your heart chakra is open, you know how to bless, how to send that energy.
Yes. Yes, very true.
Yeah, you're open.
Because the energy center of your body.
Yeah, you're open. And when you're open, you know how to receive and you know how to give it.
Correct.
So again, it's like gratitude. तो वही तो है आप में. That's why your heart chakra and throat chakra is
Absolutely.
very well activated. तो ऐसे काफी है. मतलब अगर आपके रिश्तों में प्रॉब्लम्स है तो आपका रूट और सेक्रल चक्र पे आपको काम करना है. मनी रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम है तो आपको फिर से आपके रूट और सेक्रल सोलर प्लेक्सस. सोलर प्लेक्सस इज आल्सो रिलेटेड टू योर क्रिएटिविटी, योर इंट्यूशन. हमको लगता है कि नहीं सिर्फ थर्ड आई चक्र इंट्यूशन से. नो, इवन सो सोलर प्लेक्सस चक्र वर्क्स वेरी वेल ऑन योर इंट्यूशन पार्ट. स्किन एलर्जीज है तो रूट चक्र है. So every chakra has their beauty to heal you. It has that energy, that the power is inside you. You just need to activate it. And Reiki is a powerful tool. So you can always go through my webinar sessions, the awareness sessions, and you can simply go there, come, and just understand how the concept is and enroll yourself. And there you learn in 1 week. एक हफ्ते में आप सीख लेते हो सब कुछ. फिर 21 डेज आपका प्योरिफिकेशन प्रोसेस होता है. आप उसमें अपने आप को क्लीन करते हो. देन यू टेक एन अट्यूनमेंट वे यू बिकम एलिजिबल हीलर. तो मैं आपको लाइव जूम पर, ऑफ कोर्स जूम पे भी हम दे सकते हैं, क्योंकि अगर मैं डिस्टेंस हीलिंग जूम पे दे सकती हूँ तो मैं 100% अट्यूनमेंट भी जूम पर दे सकती हूँ लाइव. एंड देयर यू गेट रेडी. And within 21 days, you can start healing yourself and others, and magically you will see the results. In fact, लोग आपको देखकर बोलने लग जाएंगे कि आपके स्किन में इंप्रूवमेंट आ गया है, आपके आंखों में क्लैरिटी दिखाई दे रही है. या यू आर स्पीकिंग, वी वांट टू हियर यू, वी वांट टू स्पीक टू यू. आप मैजिकली ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाते हो एंड पीपल स्टार्ट ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग विथ यू. दे नोटिस द चेंज.
In fact, I keep saying the biggest compliment is not when they're talking about how good you look and how good your hair is on a particular day, but they say your energy. And I have started getting those kind of compliments on my energy, and that's when I know, yes, all that work that I'm doing, it's paying off. My energy is talking more than my words and my face and my emotions or expressions, rather. So right. So it is a beautiful journey. I've gone through it. It's magical.
मेरे यहाँ रूल है स्टूडेंट्स का कि पहले तो अपना स्क्रीन आपका हमेशा ऑन रखना है मेरे कोचिंग क्लासेस में, और $1 million स्माइल रखना है. बिकॉज डेफिनेटली जब आप स्माइल कर रहे हो आप नेगेटिव नहीं सोच सकते.
Yes.
आप हमेशा एक अच्छे फ्रीक्वेंसी पे वाइब्रेट कर रहे होते हैं. सो यू हैव टू कैरी दैट स्माइल. इट्स मस्ट. बिकॉज मुझे तो पता ही नहीं चलता यार, मैं 2 मिनट तक भी ऐसे नहीं रह सकती हूँ. It just comes.
Yeah.
It just because I've trained my mind, I've trained my body, I've trained myself that this is what is keeping me up. This is like people are understanding. I am feeling positive. I am feeling happy. I'm feeling lively. I'm alive.
This means it should be as natural as your breath.
Yes. Basically. Because मुझे जीकर मरना है, मरकर नहीं मरना है. मुझे जीकर ही मरना है. और मैं जानती हूँ मेरे जाने के बाद भी ना मेरी स्माइल जिंदा रहने वाली है. I know that.
You have to decide what legacy and purpose you want to leave behind, right? That's very important.
Even if they think about me, they should have a smile on their face.
They say you should live your life such that you're living your eulogy day by day. You're not waiting for the last day to come for someone to say good things about you. You should live it like that.
Live
and,
it.
That's exactly what you're doing, which is brilliant and really inspiring. I read this about you, so I'm going to ask this. You keep saying in your spiritual path, it's very important to have like-minded people, right-minded people. And, this whole sentence just caught my eye, and I want you to talk about this. What is this like-minded people? What is right-minded people? And who should we be looking forward to in our life?
हमें हमेशा सुनते हैं ना कि वी आर लाइक माइंडेड
हाँ.
बट आई टेल यू नाउ लाइक माइंडेड पीपल और राइट माइंडेड पीपल में डिफरेंस क्या होता है सो जो लाइक माइंडेड पीपल होते हैं ना वो कहेंगे छोड़ यार जाने दे तेरा मन कर रहा है ना आज चिल करते चल हम चिल करते हैं चल तेरा मन नहीं कर रहा ना कुछ करने का छोड़ ना फिर हम बैठ जाते अच्छा तो वो अगर कोई अच्छा काम कर रहा है तो ठीक है पर अगर वो कुछ गलत कर रहा है तो अगर आपके पास लाइक माइंडेड पीपल है आपके अराउंड में सराउंडिंग्स में तो वो कहेगा कि ठीक है तू गलत है तो मैं भी तेरा साथ दे रहा हूँ
Yeah.
और हम यहाँ एक्सेल नहीं कर रहे in fact we're going down because like-minded people will never pinpoint you will never motivate you they'll always be with you even when you're wrong
Wrong.
and that's what we don't want but right-minded people अगर आपके लाइफ में है तो वो बार बार टोकेंगे हाँ वो हमें ज्यादा अच्छे नहीं लगते बट वो हमें कहते हैं कि नहीं तू गलत है वो कान पकड़ेगा आपका कि नहीं ये तू गलत कर रहा है
Show you the mirror.
आईना ऑफ कोर्स यू आर सो राइट अंदर का गुस्सा तू बाहर फेंक तू ये कर ले तू जॉगिंग कर ले तुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है तू जॉगिंग कर ले तू डांस कर ले ही विल टेल यू टू कम आउट नहीं तेरा ये डिसीजन रॉन्ग है आई फील गो विद दिस right minded people will motivate you will help you grow
Yeah.
they will help you grow
They may be tough on you.
of course because
Yeah.
वो कह रहे हैं जो हमें सुनना नहीं है
Basically, हाँ में हाँ नहीं मिला रहे.
एग्जैक्ट तो लाइक माइंडेड पीपल वही तो कर रहे हैं
Yeah.
हाँ में हाँ मिलाते हैं जो हमें सुनना है जो हमारे कानों को अच्छा लग रहा है वही वो कह रहा है मैं अच्छा लग रहा हूँ हाँ हाँ अच्छा लग रहा है मैंने ये ठीक कहा हाँ हाँ तो ठीक कर रहा है
Yeah.
बट लाइक माइंडेड ये तूने ठीक नहीं किया उसके साथ they are the people which we don't want to hear but it works on our soul level it takes you to that path that journey where we are going to evolve and we are going to transform we are going to become the best version with the right minded people so I always advise please check who are there in your surroundings are they like minded people or are they right minded people because they are going to help you grow
Now, this is a key take back from today's conversation. And if you want to be a part of Har Ghar Healer and you want to be the healer of your home, I think you know whom to contact now. Okay, now let's move to a beautiful segment of our podcast, the rapid fire. I know no one's expecting that in a conversation of energy, but here we are. All right, are you ready, Pooja?
of course I'm ready
Okay, your first question. Does negative energy from others enter our body during Reiki sessions?
Not at all because we are working with locking symbols also here. तो हम तो सबसे पहले हम अपने आप को सुरक्षा कवच में रखते हैं and then we heal. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है.
Myths busted. Can people misuse Reiki for the wrong intentions?
Never. It only works positively and purely. That's it. You cannot use it. Even if you use it, it does not work or, it comes back to you in fact. So be careful.
Be careful, in fact, yeah. All right. Does Reiki drain the healer's energy?
Not at all. I have healed till now. यानी अब तक मैंने 5.5 लाख लोगों तक हीलिंग्स पहुंचाई है मुझे नहीं लगता है मेरी कोई एनर्जी ड्रेन हुई है इनफैक्ट आई फील मोर एनर्जेटिक
Yeah.
so because when you're giving reiki to others you're drawing through yourself also
Yes.
so even you're getting charged up
Yeah.
so ऐसा कुछ नहीं है
Okay. Does Reiki only work if you believe in it?
yes true
Faith is important.
yes very very important if you're believing in it it works
Right.
it works powerfully
And is Reiki tied to any religion or any spiritual practice?
not at all कोई रिलीजन कास्ट से कोई लेना देना नहीं है कोई भी फील्ड से कोई भी प्रोफेशन से प्रैक्टिस कर सकता है लर्न कर सकता है और हील कर सकता है
Okay. And to learn Reiki, do I need a special gift?
special gift we are already a gift
Yeah.
we being as a human like taking birth as a human
Is the greatest gift.
yeah this is the greatest gift और क्या चाहिए हमको yeah
All right. Then does Vastu mean breaking walls and making big structure changes?
not at all not always yeah
It can start from small things.
yeah simple things by balancing 5 elements and keeping the correct object at the correct places the colors and which direction is for which person or doing any activity बस ये थोड़ा बहुत ध्यान रखना है हमेशा breaking is not the only solution.
And is Vastu only for people who actually believe in Vastu?
So let me tell you one thing. I've been working with people who don't even believe in it, but उनके family के कोई member believe करते हैं and they are ready to do, and it works. हमने देखा है जो लोग believe नहीं करते उनका mindset change हुआ है and they have started believing.
Wow. Yeah, that's brilliant.
And you'll always have a person in your family who won't believe in this.
Yeah, for sure. I can relate to that. Okay, can Reiki or Vastu provide overnight results?
Okay, so no, it's not any जादू और मैजिक की instantly हो जाए, but yes, what I can tell you is अगर इस वक्त आपको हेड पेन हो रहा है, ओके, नॉर्मल हेड पेन, और मैं आपको हीलिंग्स देती हूँ, ठीक है, और आपकी जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट है, लाइक इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द हेड एरिया इज योर नॉर्थ ईस्ट, मैं उसे क्लियर करती हूँ, वहां बैठ के मेडिटेशन करती हूँ, in 10 minutes you will feel the instant results.
Wow.
Yes, but if there are like बहुत सालों से ये प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत महीनों से प्रॉब्लम है, हाँ, it takes time.
Yeah.
It does take time, but the speed of recovery is very good.
Yeah.
With Reiki.
Fabulous. And is Reiki only for physical healing and not for mental emotional issues?
No, please excuse me. Reiki heals you emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially.
Yeah.
So you can use it anywhere, like situations में, आपके space पे, आपके valuable things पे. So food, and I usually, when I cook, after cooking, I give Reiki to the food which is made at home and which is being eaten by everyone.
Exactly.
So the energy is going. So anything, anywhere, anyhow, anytime.
Brilliant. So that was my rapid fire with Pooja Shah from Pune. Well, driven by her passion to help others grow positively, Pooja lives by the mantra that her guru imparted. When something becomes a must, the how doesn't matter. For those ready to take the next step towards transformation, details to book a session or enroll for a course are going to be shared in the caption below. Thank you.